Today we're going to learn a little bit more about Disk Defragmenter. What we're going to do is we're actually going to schedule a task to run on a regular basis, so that way you don't have to remember to run Disk Defragmenter, and your computer will always be performing at its best. But I think the first question that we have to ask is, what is a scheduled task? A scheduled task is a command in Windows that we set up, and you tell it, I want you to do this at this time. Alright, here's our desktop. Let's go to Start, Control Panel. When you get to Control Panel, let's scroll down to Scheduled Tasks. Double click on that. Double click on Add Scheduled Task. Go through this wizard. It's really simple. Let's click Next. What this is going to do is load all of the programs that you could actually run as a job. What we're going to do is we're going to browse for one because it's not in the list. So we're just going to click Browse. We're going to go to our Windows directory. We're going to go to System32. And down here in the file name, we're just going to type defrag.exe. We're going to select that. Click Open. We're going to give this job a name. We'll just call it Monthly Defrag, because you should defragment your disk at least once a month if you're an average user. Maybe more often if you use the computer a lot more. We're going to set it to run monthly. Click Next. We'll set it to run at 12 a.m. on the first day of every month. Go ahead and leave all of these checked. Click Next. We're going to run this as nt authority /system. You don't have to enter a password, so you can just go ahead and click Next. Make sure you check this checkbox before you click Finish. Go ahead and hit Finish. Now what I want you to do is at the end of this run statement, all we have to do is type the disk drive that we want to defragment. In this case, it's C:. And so I'm just going to type C:, and that way it'll defragment the C drive. You maybe have a D drive or an E drive or whatever, but we're going to use the C drive. Okay? And so we're going to go ahead and just click OK. Click OK here. And congratulations. You just demystified your computer and set up a scheduled task.